Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you have been in the gym for more than 5 minutes, you know about creatine monohydrate. It is the single most researched, most effective, and most affordable supplement for boosting strength and muscle size. But when you look at the price tag on a massive tub like this one from Nutricost, it feels almost too good to be true. Today we're cutting through the noise to ask, is this super affordable option legit? Is this the budget secret weapon for real strength gains? Or is it just cheap, inferior filler that won't absorb? Let's dive in. Nutricost's entire brand philosophy is built around value. They cut off the fancy marketing, the expensive flavor systems, and the proprietary blends to focus on one thing, a pure ingredient at the lowest possible price. The main promise here is that this is 100% pure creatine monohydrate. That matters because monohydrate is the gold standard. It is the form used in practically all the studies that prove creatine works. You are getting a massive amount of servings for a fraction of the cost of some of the major flashy brands. If the quality checks out, this is a huge win for anyone on a budget. So, how do we know if it is real gains? With unflavored creatine, there are two simple ways to judge quality beyond the lab tests. First, purity. Nutricost generally passes the purity check. It is chemically speaking creatine monohydrate. They don't include fillers and it contains the essential 5-gram dose per serving that you need to saturate your muscles. It will absolutely work for strength, power, and muscle saturation. Second, micronization. This is the key physical attribute. Micronized creatine means the powder has been processed into tiny particles. This is what makes it dissolve easily. When a brand sells creatine this cheap, they sometimes skip this extra processing step. When you scoop Nutricost, you might find it slightly less fine than the most expensive micronized brands. This means that while it is effective, it might not dissolve perfectly in cold water, leading to that gritty texture at the bottom of your shaker bottle. It is an effective dose of creatine, but maybe not the most pleasant to drink. Now, this is the big trade-off. Where does the cost saving come from? Often, it is in the physical quality of the powder. If you are used to a premium creatine that dissolves completely, the Nutricost version might surprise you. You might find some residue, some graininess, or that it settles quickly. It is not a deal breaker because the creatine is still there and is still effective. It is just a textural issue. To fix this, do not mix it in cold water. Try mixing it in warm water first to help it dissolve. Then add ice or your preferred beverage. Or do what some users do. Just toss the scoop into your mouth and wash it down with water, avoiding the whole mixability drama entirely. Since it is unflavored, you won't get any nasty surprises, just that slightly chalky taste. My final verdict is clear. This is 100% real gains, not filler. The Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate is an excellent budget-friendly option. It delivers the scientifically proven dose of the right form of creatine. You are not sacrificing effectiveness. You are only sacrificing a bit of mixability and a bit of brand luxury. If you're disciplined and don't mind a little grit at the bottom of your cup, this is a smart way to get your creatine. It is cheap and it works.